Are you ready to kick off 2025 by finally mastering your serger? Whether it's still in the box, been collecting dust, or just leaving you feeling a little intimidated, I am here to help you jumpstart the new year with confidence. Let's get everything set up so that you can start creating with ease and excitement. Hi Sewing Bees, I'm Sookie and I have been helping sewists master their sergers for over 25 years. I have even written the book, The Pocket Guide to Sergers, which is a super handy little book that explains everything in plain English, making serging simple, easy to understand, and to be quite honest, a lot of fun. If you're ready to make 2025 the year you finally conquer your serger, let's start by getting organized. First, create a comfortable space. Pick a well-lit area with a sturdy table and keep all of your tools and materials within reach. Next, gather your essentials. Get some high-quality serger thread. Instead of getting black or white, I highly recommend that you get it in either creams or grays or colors like that. They tend to just blend with more colors more naturally and easily. You're also going to need a good pair of thread snips, some angled tweezers, and I do recommend that you get a really nice lint brush. Start with some quilt cotton. You probably have some scraps laying around. I do recommend that you cut them 3x6, but that's not a big deal. It's really nice for practice. It's very forgiving, and it's perfect for getting the hang of things. And don't forget to grab a spiral-bound notebook, or I like using a pretty little journal to keep track of all of the tension settings, stitch lengths, thread choices, and basically all of the tips that you are going to learn from me along the way. Finally, give your serger some love. Clean it, and you're going to thread it with a basic 4-thread overlock stitch. And then you know what? You're ready to go. And preparation is not just practical, it's empowering. And it helps us feel like we can do this. And it's going to get you set up so that you have a very successful first stitch. So, if 2025 is the year you finally master your serger, well then hit the subscribe button and then go ahead and download my free beginner serger guide. You can find the link in the description. And until I see you next time, I cannot wait to see what we create together. You have a creative day. Bye-bye.